how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar. Welcome to another guitar lesson. I'm very happy to be back. I actually injured my shoulder recently, about 10 days ago on a ski trip. I knocked out my left shoulder. So I'm very happy that they put it back in and that I'm able to play guitar again. Alright, so very happy to be back. Welcome to the new year, 2020. I'm very excited to teach you guys and help you master the guitar this year as well as all the previous years. So let's get in this lesson. Today we're going to be learning a tune that my very cool student Fred in Florida requested. So it's the Eagles, Take It Easy, which happens to also be one of my favorite tunes. So shout out to Fred. Thank you for requesting this tune. It's really a great tune for all of you guys who are kind of at the beginner stage, but even if you're more advanced, it's just really fun to play this song. So we're going to be having a lot of fun. I'm going to be going into the close-up in just a second, and I'm going to be having all of the chords and the lyrics in the video, so it'll be really easy to follow along. And for you guys who are my All Access members, for you guys within the membership area of the site, I'm going to have some extra goodies in there too. Who knows what it's going to be? You're going to have to log in to find out. Secret little surprise for my All Access members. If you want to become an All Access member, it's a membership where you get access to all of my courses that I've ever made for a monthly or for annual fee, right? And you also get a picture chord book shipped straight to your doorstep for free as a welcome gift, okay? If you don't want to do that, also very cool, just go and download the free 42-page PDF version of it, totally for free, and you're going to learn everything that's in that book. Master chords, master the fretboard, all the good stuff. Okay, enough talking, let's get walking, let's get into the close-up, and I'm going to walk you step by step through this tune. All right, see you at the close-up. Thanks for checking out this lesson. See you there. Alrighty, welcome to the close-up. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with that intro, which is pretty simple, and it's a good way to get you started with this tune. So it goes like this. We're just going to start off on a G, and the strumming is down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so down, leave a little bit of time, and then up, up, down, up. All right, so so on the G, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. You're going to do that 2 times on the G. Go to the C, down, up, up, down, up. And then to the D, down, up, up, down, up. So on the G it happens twice. G, up, up, down, up. G, up, up, down, up. C, up, up, down, up. D, up, up, down. And then that repeats. D, I'm going to just do a little down, up, down, up, down, up, just to add a little bit of drama in there, okay? So down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then that takes us into the verse, okay? So after you finish that down, up thing at the end there, we go back into G, and now we're going to change the strumming pattern just a little bit. So now instead of down, up, down, up, we're going to be going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So instead of leaving that little break in there, down, up, down, up, now we're going down, down, right? Up, down. So really slow, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. See that? So and that's gonna complete the intro, okay? So the entire intro is G 2 times, down, up, 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 down, and then 2 times, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's just kind of creating a little bit of space between the intro and the verse, right? I'm kind of upping the energy now that we're getting into where the vocals kick in, okay? So that's the intro. You don't have to play the intro, and it's not exactly identical to what happens in the original, but I thought it's a nice way to kind of kick off the song, okay? All right, so now let's get into the actual verse, right, where the vocals come in. So it goes, well, I'm a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up to the D, right? So that's 2.5 bars on the G, a half bar on the D, and then to C, all right? So down, down, up, down, up. That's one. You're going to count that as one time. Again, down, down, up, down, up. And now for that half bar, we're going to go down, down, up to the D, down, down, up, and then to the C, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So really slow. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Okay? And that's the only time in the tune that there's a half bar. That's the only place, right? In the verses, right? Other than that, it's always an entire bar or 2 bars. So one more time. Well, I've been G, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Back to the G, down, down, up to the D. So that's the verse. Again, the strumming pattern, you can change it around if you want, but I kind of like to stick to this down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, right? Again, you can play around with that. As you're singing it, you're probably going to automatically change it up a little bit, but that's kind of a basic structure to, you know, just get a feeling for the tune and how you're going to kind of play rhythmically to it, okay? So one more time. Well, I've been down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, C, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, D, down, down, C, down, down, up, G. All right, so that's the first verse. Now let's move into the chorus. So lucky for us, the structure is as simple as it's been so far, right? Except it's even a little bit more simple because we don't have any of those half bars. So now it's just E minor, down 2 times, C 1 time, G 1 time, A minor 1 time to the C, and then E minor again twice. Into the C, to the G. G, A minor, C, G twice. And that is going to bring us into the second verse. All right, so you can see it's not, once you kind of got that basic rhythm down, you just need to have the chords in front of you, and it'll be pretty easy for you to follow along with the entire tune. And of course, after you've also kind of mastered that half bar move, all right, which is going to come again now in the second verse. So let's attack the second verse now again. So it's going to start off on G. Well, I'm a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, D, down, up, C. G 1 time to the D 1 time to the C 1 time and back to G. Now it's come on, baby. Only once. So you can see now the second verse is differentiating itself a little bit from the first one, right? Because now we have this E minor once going into the D, right? The chords changed a little bit. And that's kind of the trickiest part of this tune if you want to learn it without the chords in front of you, kind of by heart, because it changes. But if you have the chords in front of you, and if you're my All Access member, I'm going to somehow hook you up, you can definitely follow along with ease, okay? So let's do that second verse together one more time. Well, I'm a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, to the G, into the D, C, back to the C once, and then to G once. A minor, to the C, back to E minor. And then C to the G, back to C, and then to G. A minor, to the C, and back to G 2 times. So pretty straightforward. Once you've got all of this down, it shouldn't be hard for you to do the next verse and the next chorus, right? So that's about that for this lesson. Pretty straightforward. Again, my friend Fred, I got you hooked up inside of the All Access membership. If you're learning this on YouTube, then just go to Ultimate Guitar. I'm sure you'll be able to find some stuff there, and you'll be able to follow along. All right, I hope that this lesson helped you out. I hope it gave you an idea of how to play the tune. And I will see you very soon with another lesson. All right, have a great day. All right, I hope you liked this lesson. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment. Definitely go download that free picture chord book. You're going to learn a ton of stuff in it. And that's about that. All right, Henry Olsen here, Super Simple Guitar. Have a great day. Have a great year. I'll see you very soon. Take it easy. Bye-bye.